Pumasok na si Teacher Daddy. Oh, what you gonna say to your teacher? Good morning, Teacher Daddy. Okay, one more time. Ay, hindi pwedeng. Stand up lang. Oh, pagpapasok sa school. Hindi, nakatayo. Pag nakita mo si teacher. Okay. Good morning, Teacher Daddy.
Okay, class, good morning. Okay, class, our lesson for today is the study book, the intelligence book. Okay, here's the thing that we're going to study, okay? We will going to study the ABC, okay? All right. So when you hear the sounds A, just say A. Okay?
Ay, naku, nagagalit si teacher.
Teacher, si Ford!
Ay, sit up properly. Nagagalit si teacher.
Sino yung hindi pumayos?
Wala po.
Ay, wala daw. Okay. Alright, can you turn on the intelligence book? This one. Hey, babay daw. Turn on. Okay. Very good. Okay. Alright. Wait. Magagalit si teacher. Okay. And then, press mo yung hands para magkaroon ng sounds. Okay, press the sounds. Oh, dito. Kasi dito si teacher. Nakikita ni teacher. Okay, press mo muna this one.
A.
Oh, si A. A. Oh, sabi mo dun, A. Next one. This one.
B.
Oh, si B. B. Okay, B. Oh, next. Pakita mo dito na kasi nakikita ka ni teacher eh.
Sunod mo ako, Dad.
Oh, ayun. Oh, press ka ng next.
D.
Oh, say D.
G.
Okay, very good. Oh, next page.
Sunod na ako, Dad.
Oh, later susulat. Magagalit si teacher. Okay, next page. Oh, press mo next page. The hands. This one. Dito. Oh, press mo na. Press.
U.
Oh, you. Say you.
U.
Teacher. Oh, magpa-start ka kay teacher. Ayun na, start na kay teacher. Start. Okay, next page.
D.
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 Okay.
Ayan.
S. Okay. Okay, very good. Next page. Press the hands button. This one.
Ira water.
Water. Okay, this one. Press the hand button. This one. This hand button.
7.
Oh, si 7. Dito mo sabihin 7. Oh, yeah, magpakitang gilas ka dyan. Say mo.
Police car.
Police. Oh, si police car.
Police car.
Okay, very good. Next. Pakita mo magkakalit si teacher.
Teacher, tayo sumunod ni Ford.
Si train. Okay, very good. Next pen. Oh, next slides.
Silent.
Teacher, oh.
Oh, next. This one. Oh, choose mo naman ito. This one. Press mo. Okay. Okay na yan. Oh, press ka ng isa.
Police.
Police.
Very good. Oh, start muna sa teacher. Start. Very good. Oh, press mo pa isa. This one. Ito. Press mo. Dali. Press this one. Press one.
Doctor.
Say doctor.
Doctor.
Very good. Okay.
Apple.
Oh, wait. Ito pa may last pa. Ito pa. Madami pa pala tanok eh. Oh, press mo to. Press. Yung hands. Okay, what? Jazz.
Jazz drum.
Oh, next. Yellow. Wow, galing talaga ng baby na yan. Okay, this one naman. Press mo tong hands. Okay. Walking. Galing ah. Teka lang, ito na. Merong question dito na, may question. O, press the question. Where is the bus? Where is the bus? Where is the bus? Press the bus. Ito lang, ito. Yay! Where is the police car? Yay! O, sabihin mo sa kanila, mag-buy ka nito na. O, check out the yellow basket mo. Click the yellow basket. Click the yellow basket. Yay!